The Bentley Flying Spur transitions to the NVH area, where a specialized AI vision system performs a final exterior surface inspection.
Connection verified, we have green light.
Climate control
Check complete.
Excellent. All systems go for the NVH run.
The Bentley Flying Spur is moved into the anechoic chamber. This specialized facilitated sound A specialized pressure sensor measures air tightness. During a high-pressure air blast simulation, the
Diagnostic complete. Initiating acoustic data acquisition sequence.
Ensuring all internal storage mechanisms and their latches are acoustically inert, a critical detail in eliminating secondary noise sources. The Flying Spur now enters the acoustic refinement bay for Stage 2, focusing on acoustic mitigation and final calibration.
The process A output shows a spike 150 Hz near the rear axle.
Yes, the heat map confirms it,
The robotic arm applies constrained layer damping material, targeting the 300 Hz hum. Ultrasonic sensors then
The black crystal finish is exclusive to the long wheelbase model, sir.
It's truly stunning. The depth is incredible.
Through rigorous NVH testing, remarkable refinement is achieved. A heavy door Meticulous NVH analysis ensures every interaction within the cabin is optimized for silent luxury.
The routing is confirmed optimal, secured with acoustic foam wrap, ensuring the component is acoustically inert for the final pre-process B check. The robotic applicator dispenses a high-density acoustic sealing compound, rapidly curing to eliminate low-frequency.
Specialized acoustic polymer is injected into the chassis.
This graphic highlights our NVH certification, emphasizing the meticulous engineering that provides this ultimate refinement and quiet cabin.
And here is the rotating display. If you need anything else, please do not hesitate to ask. Now, to engage the drive sequence, simply pull the gear selector back towards you.
The revised figures look promising, Maria. Let's schedule the stakeholder meeting for Monday to review the final proposal.
calibrating the acoustic sensors now. The results must be flawless.
Agreed. The resonance frequency is critical for the stabilization sequence.
It's incredible out here. The craftsmanship is unmatched. Yeah, tell them I'll be back at the office after lunch.
The suspension efficiently absorbs the imperfections, demonstrating the effectiveness of the structural damping applied during Process B.
I'm just leaving the factory now. The black crystal finish is stunning. Yes, the call quality is excellent. I can hear every detail.
The acoustic dampening is performing perfectly.
Validated. The cabin remains completely isolated.